I'm Jen Tackney.
And I'm Jeff Tackney.
And we're TeamTackney. Today, we're going to talk about West Garden Grove floor plans.
Yay, my favorite.
How many are there, Jeff?
Well, there's actually two subdivisions to West Garden Grove. Eastgate and Garden Park. And Eastgate, there's 5 floor plans. In Garden Park, there's 8, which totals 13.
Great job.
Thanks.
That was very descriptive.
Thanks.
Can you name all of the Eastgate floor plans?
There's the Windsor, the Catalina, the Enchantress, the Lido.
You're fired. So I'm going to have you name the easier floor plans. Let's talk about the Garden Park floor plans.
Ooh, there's the Plan 1, the Plan 2, the Plan 3, the Plan 4, the Plan 5, the Plan 6, the Plan 7, and the Plan 8.
That is
Nailed
warrior
it.
speed.
Yes.
So, great job. So
Thanks.
13 total floor plans. And in Eastgate, we do have, and you started with the highest square footage
Yes.
to the lowest square footage.
I just missed one.
You just missed that one. What is the name of it?
Oh, flippity floppity.
Oh.
It's the Aloha.
That is it.
Oh my
That
God.
is it. So, based on square footage, the Lido is the smallest at 1,110 square feet. That is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. The next we have the Enchantress, which is 1,116 square feet, which is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Next is the
Aloha.
which is about 1,236 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bath. Next is the Catalina.
Another 3-bedroom, 2-bath.
2 full baths.
2 full baths.
And that's right around 1,280, just right at that 1,300 square feet mark. And final, the biggest of the floor plans is,
The Windsor.
which is also a 2-bedroom, or excuse me, a 4-bedroom,
4-bedroom.
1 3/4 bath.
Yes.
Yes, so the
It has
Windsor
a shower.
has a shower, a stand-up shower. So the Windsor is 4-bedroom, 1 3/4 bath. Now, how many of those have direct garage access?
That would be 2 of the 3.
So the Lido has direct garage access, Enchantress has direct garage
yes,
access, and Catalina has direct garage access. Why? Where is the washer and dryer?
Originally, the washer was in the kitchen and the dryer was a clothesline
That's on
out
the
back.
that's on the Aloha
The
only.
Aloha, that's right.
Point is that in Garden Park, a lot of people ask us, why isn't there direct garage access from the garage into the house? So essentially a door leading from the garage into the house. Why isn't there on all of them?
That's a great question. Why?
So through my extensive research and experience as the West Garden Grove neighborhood expert, I have discovered that if originally the washing machine was inside the home on the Aloha, Windsor has a dedicated laundry area, Garden Park Plan 5, Garden Park Plan 2, Garden Park Plan 1, there's no direct access because the washer and dryer were always inside the home.
Got it.
Right?
Yes.
Whew. There
Check
you
out the
have it.
big brain on Jen. Man,
Yes. So there's
that's a tip for me. Wow.
tip for you.
I'm glad I came today.
West Grove floor plans. See? So point being that there's been modifications, different ways to do that, and we'll show you throughout our floor plan videos. We're gonna do a floor plan video for each of the West Garden Grove floor plans, so make sure you stay tuned for that, like and subscribe. Our next video we'll probably be starting with is the Lido floor plan, so make sure you stay tuned to our channel to find out more about that Lido floor plan.
And for more information regarding West Garden Grove floor plans, both Eastgate and Garden Park models, you can comment below or give us a call. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching.